Previously on The Sound of Waves, living in the post-war World War II era, a young fisherman named Shinji meets the daughter of the wealthiest man in the village, Hatsue. The two fall in love but are eventually roadblocked by Hatsue's father, forbidding the lovers' affair to continue. Not too long after, Shinji is invited to join the Utajima Maru and embark on his voyage at sea. While on their adventure at sea, the Utajima Maru was confronted by a typhoon. The devastating winds caused the ships to retreat into Uten's harbor, away from most of the force of the waves. The two ships were both fastened together by several ropes. They were equipped with no radio equipment and only a single compass. Uneasiness spread throughout the Utajima Maru, for the thought of the ropes that connected the two ships snapping was terrifying. Both ships decided to send out men to take out the midnight watch for the cables. They would report to the captain if something were to go wrong. The Utajima Maru sent out Shinji, Yatsuo, and his fellow sailor to take watch. As soon as the trio left the deck, they were struck by a massive wind. They caught hold of a pole and held on for their life. Rain was thrown into their faces. Wind was blowing against their cheeks. The combination of the two shrouded the vision of the three young sailors. As they continued their watch over the ropes, Yatsuo noticed something that horrified them all.
Look! The cable! We have to inform the captain! We can't guarantee those lines will hold! Captain, the alarm broke!
I understand the situation. A lifeline should fix the damage. Keeping the typhoon past 1 o'clock, there should be no danger. Let's go. Alright, how do you want to be to tie this lifeline to that buoy?
Shinji was ashamed of himself for the way he'd been squatting on the deck until now, practically cowering.
I'll do it!
Go. Tie this around your waist. Swim over there to that buoy as fast as you can. Once you get there, throw over the lifeline.
Shinji repeats futile attempts to reach the buoy, and when he finally touches it, he loses his hold. But then by good luck, a wave swept him forward again, and just as it seemed on the point of dashing his chest against the iron rim, lifted him up with a single sweep and deposited him on the buoy. Shinji looked back at the ship, seeing four forms of men clustered together, but everything appeared extremely distant.